Welcome to Mahroo Arts and Craft Design, a channel for all of your favorite activities. Watch, learn, do, and earn. Arts and craft, paper craft and design, all type of greeting cards, ideas and tutorial, birthday, wedding, Mother Day, Father Day, Teacher Day, much more. Easy to learn and make. Unique design, home decorating tips and tricks, wall hanging, table decorations, flowers, vase and more decorations. Classroom decorations, summer, winter, all seasons, creative designing, school and class door decorations. Easy to make kids, playing activities. Ladies dress stitching design. Latest design stitching and cutting, full videos. Trending fashion updates and method to make. Latest mehndi designs. Front, back, hand, foot, fingers mehndi designs tutorial. All type of mehndi designs and tattoos. Beauty and makeup tutorial. Bridal, party, birthday, etc. All makeup tips and tricks. Kids fashion designs. Trending design stitching and cutting full for baby girls. Baby frock, princess frock, lenga, sharara, kameez latest design. Haircut and hairstyles. Simple and easy hairstyles for all occasions. Trending hairstyles tips and tricks versus accessories guidelines. Useful home remedies. Latest jewelry design and collections. Authentic jewelry deals with reasonable price. Resin art. Resin products and tutorial. Candle making business. Tips, suggestions, and complete method to make at home. All info, tutorials, and guidelines fully available in just one click. Subscribe now and press the icon. Start your journey with Mahroo Arts and Craft Design.